My baby is bleeding. She slammed my baby so hard.
When I went to put him down, I put him down kind of hard. Like now that I think about it, I was a little aggressive.
Why would this daycare worker think it was okay to slam a toddler onto his cot and then laugh about it like she did nothing wrong?
How are you? My name's Deputy Johnson. This is my partner, Deputy Lynn. Okay. Kind of tell us what was going on.
From the way she looked like she's made a mistake, you know.
Up on the chair. Then I went to get him, and when I took him in the cot, I got...
Is this the outside, by the way? I'm sorry.
No, it's another room.
Okay.
But you can't go outside.
Okay.
And then when I picked him up to put him down, like now that I think about it, I was a little aggressive. But I didn't mean to hurt him or anything. Like I didn't mean to slam him or hurt her kid or anything. I was just trying to like put him there and get him to stay. And I didn't mean to like do anything. And then I comforted him and everything because I felt bad because I didn't realize that I did it.
She looked like a nice lady, man. She looked like a nice lady, but she admitted that she hit the
Like
baby.
hard or anything. So I didn't mean to.
And how old are you, sweetie?
21.
21. Okay.
Her son is back here. In all honesty, she did throw him hard onto his cot.
She even admitted, yeah.
Well, Mom took off
Is this her son right here?
No, he's on the back side of this.
Oh, backside right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I may have stopped it after it happened. He's standing on the chair there. Anyway, I immediately went in, relieved her as soon as I seen what happened, and told her that she was done. But I couldn't get her out of the building. That it's coming up. That mom has trying to get her to come outside and everything. Which I don't blame Mom, but trying to explain to Mom that she is, yeah.
How did Mom know? How did the mom know? Did this lady seen her on the camera and called the mom, or what's going on?
I told you, we will take care of this, okay, Sean? No, bro, this is not okay. That's a little baby.
Hey, so what's going on?
I understand. I'm going to
I feel the mom. I feel the mom pain. I feel the mom pain for
show
sure.
them the video and let them see and let them decide what they need to do. No, bro, I can't do this. I'm trying not to let her beer. Bro, she hit my baby.
So what's going on?
That's in there slam my kid down, bro.
She's shocked, man. She's shocked.
So, is the older lady there, is she like the admin or the owner? Okay.
She's not the owner, but she's like the boss.
Okay. My wife works in daycare, so I think they call them like the admin or something like that. Okay. So, we do have some questions for you, but obviously, before we ask those questions, we have to read you something to protect you as a person, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can will be held against you in the court of law. Do you understand your rights? Okay, having those in mind, do you still wish to speak with us?
Yeah.
Okay. So, obviously from the video that we saw, it appeared at first that you were trying to comfort one child to get it to sleep.
Yeah.
The video is not clear. From the video, it's not clear.
At that point,
So we can
you saw her child out there standing up on the chair. And just kind of run me through, like, what happened after that.
I like got up, walked over, like went over the gate, seen him, picked him up, started walking over, and then like when I went to put him down, I put him down kind of hard, and then he like rolled over, so I got on my knees and I started like giving him hugs and kisses, and then he went to bed. Like a little bit later, he went to sleep.
What's your name?
like if the baby went to bed, then it's not that, you know.
Shauna!
Okay, so you're saying she slammed your baby, right?
My baby is bleeding. She slammed my baby so
Whoa.
hard.
Okay, and
The baby is
And where
bleeding.
did you grab him at?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
No, I really don't.
Okay, and what's that kid's name?
Boston.
Boston?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't remember, like, what's your guys' procedure on, like, if a kid doesn't listen?
Like, what do you mean?
So, in that instance, it looked like the kid was standing up on the chair, which is a no-no because he could get hurt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your guys' procedure on trying to handle that?
Get him down.
Get him down?
Yeah.
Is there any specific way you're supposed to get them down?
Just pick him up, get him down.
Pick him up,
Put him down lightly, not very hard, yeah.
put him down? Okay.
okay, so once you found out that your baby's been abused, well, then what happened?
I went to go beat her.
Okay, did you?
No, I did not touch this.
Okay, I'm just asking.
I'm mad. You hit my baby for months, probably, bro.
I get that, and that's why we're here, okay? That's why we're here.
And now it's
The officer is so understanding. He's like, he knows that's a mom, you know. Even a cat mom that he wouldn't be happy if you touch her baby.
Dad's come and said, I'm gonna take it because saying it's my fault. I didn't even do nothing. But I had a gut feeling that she did something because they were both lying.
If you or your child spent years growing up on social media and experienced serious mental health struggles, you should hear this. Recently, a jury ordered Meta and YouTube to pay millions for their role in designing and promoting addictive platforms. They knew their apps could contribute to anxiety, depression.
Facebook is
Recent his-
addictive.
a short-
It's addictive for children for sure, yeah.
You didn't grab his neck. Okay. Would you say that you grabbed him on his arms?
I think so. I don't remember right now. I'm
Okay.
really like.
Yeah, I get that.
She should remember.
I get that. And then you said after that. Now, did he cry or anything like that?
Yeah, he cried for a little bit, but Boston gets upset when he gets redirected a lot. So then I just sat there and I patted him and I gave him kisses and I rubbed his hair and stuff. And then he was
Honestly, what I think what it is this lady, she's overworked. She's stressed. That's what it is. She can't remember stuff. She bullied him hard, and then she went for the hug and stuff. You know, comforting him. She admitted. I mean, she's not bad person, but she's overworking. You know, that's stress. That's what stress does.
Okay. Okay.
Or she knew the mom and she had a little bit of story with the mom, like she's not happy with the mom, or that could be too. You know, that could be.
Mom ever.
Well, it's not.
Just let me beat her ass. Let me get it over with. Because I'll beat the brakes off those slapping.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Is that a threat?
And then what happened after that? Did you immediately notify somebody or?
no. When someone, so like I was alone.
Yeah.
And then when someone came back in, I told someone when I walked in, I was like, hey, Boston, like I think he has a mark on his lip from getting on the cot. And they're like, okay, I don't think it's that big of a deal. And I was like, okay. And then when he woke up, I wasn't in there. Someone else was. And she said that his lip was red
Yeah.
and had a bump, but she thought that him licking it and biting it was also adding to it.
Okay.
How was I supposed to react? She was hurting my baby. My baby's too, bro.
Okay, that's where the bleeding came from. Like the baby hit his lips or something from his teeth or from the chair or something. The baby bleed from the mouth.
I
Yeah.
get that.
She better go to jail.
Absolutely, and we're watching the video, and we'll deal with it accordingly. Absolutely. Okay.
I'm trying to stay self-control so I don't go to jail, but I think it might be worth going to jail.
No, it is not. Okay. You cannot be a mother and child in jail.
She's young, mom. You know, she's very young. That's new to her, stuff like that.
But why would she hurt someone's baby?
And that's why we're here. Okay. If something has happened,
Stop
right?
being so camera when you watch
And-
it. It's
and
gut wrenching.
he's in there watching it. Okay. He's in there watching it.
So who first approached you about this incident?
Probably Tara, the boss.
The boss.
Yeah.
Okay. Was she kind of just going over the footage, saw what had happened, and then?
I didn't see the footage right now.
Okay, you haven't seen the footage. Okay. All right. So obviously we're gonna make some phone
Okay, so she told the boss first, then the boss went to see the footage. Yeah?
calls and kind of proceed from there. I need to get some basic information from you. What did you say your name was?
Kylie,
Is that Kylee?
Kylie.
So has this been going on?
I don't know.
Okay. Is this the first time that you've ever?
I've seen the
that?
news, yeah.
Okay. Did they have you watch the video?
Yeah, and I ran right to her to go beat her ass. But I didn't touch her. The teacher already knew. Teacher watched it with me. She took her running before me, running after me. As any parent would react to their child being abused.
Absolutely. But you never actually.
No, I never touched
got
her.
Okay.
Never. We were even close to each other. She took off running, laughing, because she knew she hit my child. How are you going to sit?
Laughing? That's crazy, actually. I don't know if she.
And I sat there 5 minutes before. I literally said, you're a good daycare provider.
Okay. Just give us 1 second. Okay.
She looks like she's good, you know?
Am I going to jail?
I can't really answer that right now. Okay. That's why I said we got to make some phone calls. That phone calls don't necessarily mean a bad thing, okay? But we want to both ensure that we're doing our job to the best of our abilities.
I really didn't mean to hurt him.
I know.
Yeah, I believe her. She didn't mean to hurt him, you know? She's just stressed or something, you know?
Ma'am, where is your vehicle at?
Right there.
Right there. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay. While we conduct something really quick, mind if I have you just go over there?
Well, my kids are inside. I'm not gonna touch her. I'm not gonna touch her. I'm chill. I'm reacting because how long has she been hitting my child?
Right. No, I completely understand.
Like I'm trying to stay chill because I don't want to go to jail. But any parent's gonna go in there and beat her ass.
No,
and
I'm not disagreeing with you, ma'am. What's your name?
Shauna.
Shauna. I'm not disagreeing with you, Shauna. Okay.
I'm just gut-wrenched because it's like that innocent little baby,
Now,
bro.
I understand. Now, when we do our part, I just ask that you don't say anything, okay? Because remember, everything's on body cam. I'm not trying to get you in trouble. You're just trying to be a protective mother, and I get that, okay?
I mean, I got a video of...
Yeah, I just watched the video, so I'm going to explain it to my partner here in just a second, okay?
I just said I was going to beat her ass, but I mean, anyone is going to say that.
Huh?
I just said I was going to beat her ass, but I did not touch her. I was like over here, she was way over there.
I get it.
No, she's good. She's good. She's just reacting, after the accident.
Well, we'll just have you stand off to the side. I'm going to bring in my partner real quick, and then we'll go from there, okay? All right, so what we're going to do for the meantime is you are going to be detained, okay? You're not under arrest, but you are detained, okay? Are you pregnant by any means? Nothing like that? Any shoulder injuries, anything like that? Okay, so go ahead and turn around for us to transpond your back. Put it like you're praying. It's a lot more comfortable.
Like, I'm what?
Put it like you're praying. It's a lot more comfortable. And then just to reiterate, you are being detained. You're not being placed under arrest, okay?
I'm not going to just stay in here, right?
Huh?
I'm not just going to stay in here, right?
No, we're going to put you in the back of my partner's cruiser here.
I mean, at this point, they're trying to protect her from the mom, yeah? They're trying to separate them.
I'm double locking these cuffs. Don't tighten up on you, okay?
Okay.
You're right.
So it's going to be to that far left cruiser, okay?
Can you turn the heat off?
Like I said, Detective Cart's on his way.
No, the boss, she should say something about it. She should, she should explain what's going on.
So he's going to be taking over the investigation. Once he gets here, he'll talk with you. And
Can I press charges on her?
so that's what he's coming to see. Is he's going to be the one to determine if there's enough to press charges to make an arrest or go through grand jury or whatever hoops we have to jump through.
Okay, well, what did she say? I mean, it's just crazy because I watched the video and it wasn't lining up because she said, no, I went over there and kissed him. I'm like, but then we watched the video and we were both like, that's not lining up. And I was like, let's rewatch it and let's like really watch it. This slams my kid. Me and her both take off running because she already knew what was going to happen.
Yeah.
But I did not touch her. I wanted to. Don't trust me.
No, you're not in any trouble whatsoever.
But
So
I was like, you know what? There's kids in this room. I was
Yeah.
like, I wouldn't mind spending a couple days in jail. But I was like, I'm not going to touch her.
If she would have touched her, that would be a different story, yeah, Then the mom, she would be even,
That's
would
good.
not end up
you're
where.
not in trouble whatsoever.
But she sat there and was laughing about slamming my kid. Look at my kid's face, bro. His lip. Look at his face. Now, I don't know how his dad's going to have me get here. His dad's crazy over him. And his dad was like, no, you need to go back and watch that video. And I came all the way back, and I just had a gut feeling because of the way she was acting. Because I kept coming her like, oh, yeah, I would definitely want you to watch my kid. She's like, yeah, that's so sweet. I'm like, you're not reacting the way I would want you to react. When he's complimenting you. There's something more to this.
Yeah.
And as soon as I walked in there, she knew that we found out what she did. So there's probably months of her doing this. Because it's not just a one-time thing. You don't just go up to a kid and slam on the bed. And no, you've had to build the courage up to hurt a kid that you don't know.
Yeah. The girl did say that the child's father was on his way, and I guess he's kind of aggressive.
So they better take the teacher away,
So maybe keep that in mind. But yeah, Jody said.
I mean, judging from his wife, she's not. The lady look calm. So I'm thinking the guy would be a little bit not that aggressive.
Card will take it over.
Hello. Are you doing okay? Okay. Go ahead and try to face this way. I'm gonna get one of these cuffs out. Oh, you've got it underneath. She's gonna have a statement for you to fill out. Are those okay? Are they too tight? You go ahead.
Okay, so I have a question for you. Not even about any of this.
Okay.
I have a little girl down the street. Parents are not real good at making sure that they are here to pick her up. She is not allowed to be here at the center because we don't have her on our roster or anything. If I am not here to walk her home, which I know I'm not even supposed to walk her home, but if I am not here, do I call you guys or do I call CPS? Which?
You can contact us to investigate it to see if there is anything criminal. However, I'm not 100% on that. Now, obviously, you can contact us to go make contact with the parents because obviously that sounds like a parent issue and they need to do better.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
It looks like this daycare, there's too much going on, you know.
Okay, that's fine. Like I said, the rest of this I can do. It was just what happened that I needed you to do.
She's not coming back. I feel like the boss, she's not happy.
Okay. I'm going to have you turn back around for me and put it like you're praying if you can. You said they were tighter.
Is the detective on his way?
I'm sorry?
Is the detective on his way?
No, so he got disregarded, okay? So I'm going to advise you are being placed under arrest. It's going to be for misdemeanor endangering children, okay? It's not a felony, it's just a misdemeanor, okay? So there will be a bond. You can contact your parents once you get down to the jail, all right? And they'll be able to bond you out. Then from there you'll have a court date, okay?
Kylie Weeks was arrested for endangering children after deputies say she grabbed a toddler by the head and slammed him onto a daycare cot during nap time.
We need to see the video. We need to see the video so we can judge well. But yeah, there's no video. But she's a nice lady, man. I hope she get out and she learned from her mistake, you know. But I wish her well. Yeah.